Hi, I'm Bob with Purdue MEP. Our topic for this module is purchasing and financing new technologies. When investing in new manufacturing technologies, there may be some financing and subsidy options available to help reduce upfront costs. These options can vary depending on the size of your business, the type of technology, and your location. Here are some key options to consider. The first option we'll cover is government grants and subsidies. Many federal and state government agencies offer grants or subsidies to support technological advancements in manufacturing. These grants might be targeted toward specific sectors like automation, energy efficiency, or environmental sustainability. Some government agencies provide grants for research and development activities to encourage innovation. If your technology installation involves substantial R&D, you could qualify for these type of grants. For example, the Small Business Innovation Research, SBIR, and Small Business Technology Transfer, STTR, programs provide funding for small businesses. State and local governments may also have funding programs for businesses located in their areas to upgrade technology, improve energy efficiency, or automate processes. Other options to offset the cost of adopting new technology include tax incentives and deductions, like accelerated depreciation. Certain tax codes, like the 179 deduction, allow businesses to deduct the full cost of qualifying new equipment, like machinery or technology systems, in the year it is purchased. Some state governments provide tax credits for businesses that invest in new technologies, especially those that reduce energy consumption or contribute to sustainability. There is also the federal R&D tax credit that allows businesses to claim tax credits for qualifying R&D activities, which could include adopting new technologies or developing innovative manufacturing processes. You may also want to consider leasing and equipment financing as an option. Instead of purchasing new equipment outright, consider leasing the equipment. This allows you to spread the costs over a set period, typically 3 to 5 years, and avoid a large upfront investment. Many technology providers offer leasing options. Similar to leasing, equipment financing allows you to borrow money to purchase the equipment, paying it back in installments. The equipment itself serves as collateral for the loan, which can make it easier to obtain than traditional business loans. It's important to understand the difference between an operating lease, which is more flexible and usually comes with lower payments, and a capital lease, which might let you own the equipment at the end of the lease term. Another means of acquiring new technology can be the as-a-service model, where the technology is paid for through a monthly or annual service fee or subscription. For example, Robots as a Service charges companies a flat monthly fee or an hourly rate for the use of a robot. This can be a way to test the viability of a technology on a short-term basis, about 6 months to a year, without committing significant capital up front. Another possible option is a bank loan or a line of credit. A traditional business loan from a bank or financial institution can be used to finance technology upgrades. For example, the SBA 7A loan program is one option for small businesses to secure financing, which can be used for technology acquisition. If you need flexibility, a business line of credit can help cover ongoing or unexpected expenses related to the technology investment. Interest is only paid on the amount you borrow, not the entire credit limit. One more option to consider is supplier financing and partner programs. Some technology providers or manufacturers offer financing options directly to the businesses purchasing their equipment. These financing plans may include favorable terms like low interest rates, deferred payments, or financing over a longer period. So, how do you choose the right option? When selecting a financing or subsidy option, consider your business's financial health. Some options, like loans or lines of credit, require a good credit rating, while others, like grants or subsidies, don't require repayment. For financing options, understand the repayment terms and their impact on your cash flow. Some options, like leasing, offer lower upfront costs, but may be more expensive in the long run. Be sure to review the eligibility criteria. Make sure you meet the qualifications for any grant programs like tax credits or incentives before applying. By exploring multiple purchasing and financing options, you can reduce the burden of acquiring new manufacturing technologies and ensure that the installation process is financially manageable.